Ngixolise man, kunjalo Nkokheli. I think ukuthi it's high time la ngoba these comrades ibona abasichukuluzayo and quote unquote upresident uyayisho lento nakhona futhi abamameli ukuthi uManxeba izinsizwa akhula nazo, aphinde futhi achubeke athi kungani umkhonto wesizwe lenhlangano esikuyo ayithiye ngale gama kunezizathu eziningi ezihlukahlukene. Asikwazi ukuthi singaze silandelelwe nalahlala khona lama comrade anochuku lawa ubalwa nathi basilwisa ngento yethu size singena endlini basigijimisa basigijimisela into yethu esisebenzele kanzima sashiwa abo comrade bethu yabo bekungekho mnandi, they were not there. Bayasichukuluza manje sothatha lo mkhonto ke nathi ubhekise kubo ngoba ngani sibona kahle ukuthi ngale ndlela abasitreata ngayo nabacabanga ngayo ukuthi siyidomu ngakhona seku enough manje, asizona iphukuphuku eziphindaphindiweyo. So labo comrade ngenxa yokuthi we thought that ukuthi ba genuine, ngivumelana nawe Mbokodo la ukuthi vele boycott yonke le instruction yabo engekho right, unconstitutional, because uTony Engeni yena himself lapha Witbank nabo bolindiwe, ulindiwe was not part and parcel yani yale special what yini lento yabo le yini ko intervention, wagcina sebam-introducer lapha angasiyona yabo, disrespecting ama-leaders lawa amanye abahamba nawo. Kumanje akukho ne-report. Where is the report le yale outreach? Ngoba ama-resources we-organization kwabhadalwa amahall babhukhelwa aboyengeni, is what they enjoy the most. Ekubeni la abantu bakithi bayawuthanda umkhonto badinga imaterial, instead ukuthi ngabe kuthenga imaterial bazowenza umhlangano unnecessary bathatha bazolutha le mali yomkhonto engekho. You see, where is our report yayo le intervention team esingayazi ukuthi yiphi le National High Command eyabayanikeza ama-official such a mandate through the office of the SG. Lama comrade awayekela awame kancane ukusinyaza lama comrade. Seku right ma seku enough, ababuyele emakibo bayosebenza le basiyekele leMpumalanga yethu, angeke sikhone lokho. Comrade uTony ukhulume nomngani wakho uNomvalo, ngitshele no comrade uCibane nolona ukuthi ma comrade siyabonga kule intervention yenu, seku right ma yikho neyi-one into ecacile eniyenzayo since nifikile, instead isaka lemali ekufanele lothenga ngayo imaterial liyancipha ma comrade. Siyanicela siyanxusa malunga we-National High Command, hambani nibuyele kuma-VDs wenu ma comrade, anizusibangisa la comrades, please man, yabona ningafuni ukuthi size sithathe umkhonto lo esinawo la kulamakhaya wethu sufake kini ma comrade. Lo mkhonto awudalelwanga nini ukuthi sikwaze nini, buyelani la nivela khona ma comrade, siyanicela siyanxusa. Enibabonayo nanibabona ma comrade nibatshele kahle ngesizotha abo comrade bethu ababuyele to their respective ward, bahambe bayofuna 2/3 majority kule local government election, please. Siyanicela ma comrade, comrade uTony, comrade Cibane, comrade uLindiwe, nitshelani uSG unosiboniso Nomvalo bhala incwadi chief, le decision yakhe unilaterally foreign within the organization etreata amanye ama-province ngendlela unconstitutional, so awirevoke lento yakho because angeke sisakumamela manje, sikunikezile ithuba lamandla ngathi ayakuhlula angaphezu kwakho Nkokheli. Lelo office ngcono vele uvacate nangabe usuzibona omkhulu kunale organization. Siyakucela kakhulu kwenkokheli sikusho futhi ngomoya wothando ukuthi please usuhlulekile ukuthi uhambe ngenqubomgomo yalenhlangano nabo comrade uTony Engeni. Please ningaze nisikhulumise comrade, sinithanda kakhulu, buyelani emakini maqabane. Kwaza mkhonto kwaza. Commanders morning. No, ngixolise nkokheli ukustitcha EVN yakho my leader ungixolele. Nkokheli asizona iphukuphuku. Silana nje ngokuthi fanele sibe united njengabantu abamnyama to exercise le muscle yokuthi abantu abamnyama ibona abayi majority in this country and ibona futhi abaqindezelekile. So sithola ukumangala ke manje ukuthi ama comrade whom we trust the most baphambana nalento, baphambana ne-wisdom and ne-vision yaka president uMsholozi. Yabona ucomrade uYengeni ufikile la azibiza nge-intervention team kanti ufuna ukuzozi-impose la ngama-ulterior motive, yabona, supported by uGeneral Secretary, yabona. So shuthi thina siyiwula, we don't understand because ipolitics lesikuyo it's about numbers. We managed to come with numbers. We thought that ukusebenza kwethu kumamela kwethu president athi go and hambani nofuna i-2/3 majority. Senza njengoba upresident bekasikhomandile. Bayavela bona manje bavela as if ngathina we don't understand politics. Le number lezi sizi-understandayo ngoba ipolitics it's about numbers, not about WhatsApp group, of which thina we did exceptional well. We managed to come up with numbers that will take umkhonto wesizwe forward kuleya base esiyenzile. Bayabuya bazosi-undermine ngomsebenzi wethu. Abahlukanga kunalento ye-illegal immigrant. Bazongena la without imvumo. I-constitution yethu is very clear. Ithi fanele nangabe uzoba umholi we-province ube umuntu walapho. Is there in the constitution. But I'm surprised because the very same leadership is the one at the forefront violator i-constitution. Ama-guidelines wabachintshile manje. Awasayibali National High Command as a structure enshrined in the constitution. Babala bona manje ama-national official. Go and read those documents. La ama-guidelines abawakhiphile akhuluma nge-national officials. We are no longer having National High Command. So seyakutshela ukuthi labo comrade abahambe bayovuthwa kahle. We thought that ukuthi ba genuine for i-cause yomuntu omnyama, but ngalendlela abenza ngayo sesigcina nathi sesiyasola ngoba besithi sithembela kubo, but ngalendlela kungayo seyakutshela lento ukuthi ayisiyi lento ebesicabanga. Baba uMoyi van Fer bahle nabalapha ekudeni nabaseduzane ayikhona bayabonakala ukuthi kukhona okushaya amanzi la. Yiphi into ekumele kufanele sicabanise nabo? Asicabani nabo, ababuyele to their respective what. Bayazi ukuthi abaperformanga. Comrade Ulindi ubuya eGauteng, they were underperformed than us. Comrade Yengeni naye underperform. Ucibana abantu abasha bamlindile. So we would support them laba kulama portfolio abanikezwe wona and ale responsibility, but not at our expense la eMpumalanga. We cannot be treated different here. Labo comrade bayasihlokoloza sithulile but seku enough manje. The spirit lesebesikhona nasithi siyazama ukusivusa bayafika bona. Ufike la athi uzo intervene wasithembisa ukuthi upresident uzoza naye within 2 weeks. Phela inyanga manje sekahlela akasakhulumi ngopresident. He has misled the membership. Therefore ababuyele makibo kokheli. Injalo wena my leader, ngijikjela mkhonto jikjela. Abahamba boComrade uTony. Commanders morning. Ngiyanibingelela ama comrade, ngiyanibingelela maqabane. comrades, ngithi ngicheke la malunga omkhonto wesizwe. U-comrade uTony Yengeni, nabo comrade uCibane, nabo comrade uLindiwe bahamba nini la eMpumalanga, ngoba umsebenzi wabo asuboni, sibona nje bazosihlangahlanganisa la ngale structures zabo abazi-appointile la ekufanele zibe yi-face, i-image yomkhonto wesizwe within the province. Comrades, sicela ningazodlala ngathi la, and futhi ningazodlala ngale mali yomkhonto wesizwe. Lo unithelela abo comrade uThona ama-petrol and everything, nabo comrade uLindiwe. Impumalanga yethu basithole siyisebenzile kanzima, namhlanje abasasifuni kule organization yethu esisebenzele kanzima. We are not going to allow that thing to happen. Sizo retaliate ama comrade. Nimtshele noSiboniso Nomvalo, uSecretary General, ukuthi lento ayenzayo ikungasihloniphi singamalunga omkhonto wesizwe. Ngalendlela enza ngayo le 12 zakhe, le resolution abayithatha akasinikeza ama minutes ne attended register ukuthi le resolution yokuthi ngey12 kuyavalwa ibuyapi, because lento ayenzayo ufuna senze njenge-ANC la siye emphakathini sigijima. Le 12 zakhe akazi extend until ngey30 zaka July, so that akhombisa ukuhlonipha abantu thina, noma ngasihloniphi singamalunga omkhonto wesizwe, ahloniphe labahlali esiba representayo in our respective VDs. Lento yakhe ukuthi sizowenza izinto ngokujaha la ikungahlonipha abantu bakithi base South Africa abathembele kumkhonto. So ngiyacela ke please nimdlulisele lo mlayezo uNomvalo, uSecretary General, ukuthi sicela asithathele uComrade uTony, uComrade uCibane, uComrade uLindiwe. We are fine siMpumalanga, we'll sort ourselves out. Ukuthi bona beze ngani la asazi, ngoba yikho into abayizele la, it's wasteful expenditure lento abayenzayo. Si-ankera ama-cost unnecessary. They think that we are fools. Asizona iphukuphuku, sicela ukuhlonishwa kulokhu. Akusukuthi ama-comrade asimpumalanga sewadidekile ngoba kune-political differences, akunampi engako engaze ibangela ukuthi baze beze la. Comrade uTony, Comrade uCibane, Comrade uLindiwe, ma-comrade wethu, sicela nambeni nibuyele kuma-VD wenu nakuma-province wenu. Ni violate i-constitution. My constitution ithi fanele nihlale la. Yiphi lengaka enifuna ukuthi nina yenzeke? Asizelanga ukuzowenza ubungani la, sizwele ukuzokhulula abantu bakithi la. So lama guidelines wenu a-contradictory and awalandelwa. Ngapha i-due date yakho ozinqumele yona wena. So sithi ngithi ngidlulise lo mlayezo ukuthi ngoba unikezwe lamandla kulelo office la kaNobhala, akusho ukuthi usungaphezulu kwethu. We will hold you accountable, chief. Please correct le correspondent. And nalama appointment owenza every week la eMpumalanga, awume kancane chief ukuzosidida, ukuzosiqova, awume kancane ukuthatha eMpumalanga into distribute. Lento yenu yobungani yekeleni ma comrade. Impumalanga yethu le, iyabantu baseMpumalanga. Siyazazi inkinga zaseMpumalanga. This is local government. Sivotela abomasipala bangakithi. Sicela nihloniphe ma comrade, ngoba ngeke nisilekelele kule process nakuma VD wethu. So buyelane emakini, ningagwadeli ukuthi sithi buyele emakini kuyiqiniso lokho. We know ukuthi organization ikuphi ekufanele kwenzeke, sihlangahlanganiswa yini. Ungadidwa ivoice as uComrade wami, ivoice fanele vele uyizwe ukuthi la sisebusotsheni sikumkhonto wesizwe. Azelanga ukuzoncetheza la, azelanga ukuzosubmita kini la, ngoba sisesenendlela ende kufanele sihambe. lama decision wenu unilaterally asenza ukuthi nisigibele emakhaya nama-comrade asisathandi manje sesizocala manje siyisho lento ma-comrade sizoniconfronta ngoba anisibone endaweni yethu. So please le date yakho yangeyi-12 i-irrelevant kule ma-process, izosixabanisa nabantu bakithi abawuthandayo umkhonto. And comrade uTony, comrade uLindiwe, comrade uTibana, ma-comrade buyelani to your respective VDs bayanifuna lapho nibe uncedo. We know how to run this thing, we have done it before. Go to ama-archive, will tell you ukuthi u-2024 nge-29 ukuthi i-outcome itheni yaseMpumalanga. I-evidence is there, comrades. Musani ukusinyaza. Please, my comrade, lewe full expenditure seku-enough manje. Sifuna iMpumalanga yethu, buyelani le kuma-video wenu nosebenza makho anisebenzanga. Please. Kwaza mkhonto kwaza.